Guys, may utang kami sa inyo. This is the Arvin Tolentino, ano tawag dito? Emergency podcast. Emergency podcast sa 3 days late. But we cannot not talk about it. We have to talk about it na this was once a team na number one with Arvin Tolentino leading the way. Unfortunately, got checked by Hinebra in the semifinals, but we saw the potential of that team. But all good things must come to an end, no? Pagdating sa mga ganyan. And Tolentino is now with the KBL. Anyang ba, Mario?
Anyang.
Was it
SK,
Anyang? Hindi.
SK, SK, SK.
SK Knights, yeah. So
SK
SK
Knights.
reached the finals of the KBL, famously known for losing to the Carl Tamayo team, pero they came back down from 3-0 to make it 3-3 and then ultimately lost in game 7. But with if it was Arvin Tolentino there instead of one against that Carl Tamayo team, I don't think it could have been way different. Pero kayo, do you think Arvin Tolentino will not suffer the same fate na nangyari kina Juan GDL and some other Filipino imports na pinapadala natin, wherein when I say suffer the same fate, yung hindi sila magagamit, mababangko lang sa bench or maybe 10-15 minutes? Or do you see Arvin Tolentino playing the role na Carl Tamayo na babad talaga? You would see him playing 27 plus minutes a game based on his game, based on what he showed us dito sa
Ako,
PBA.
ako genuinely, it will matter kung how much Arvin can mold his game to the Korean basketball game. Bro, si Arvin, let's be real, di naman yun namamasa, di ba? Arvin Tolentino has the ball, Arvin Tolentino shoots the ball. Right?
Oh,
Like, he'll take his threes, he'll post up, he'll draw fouls. Quite like Carl Tamayo, but Carl Tamayo learned how to play the game with his teammates very well.
yeah.
Uh, and I think not to ano, pero I think that's the reason why Juan was never really given many minutes in SK. Was number one, yung guards ng SK malakas talaga. And number two, Juan does have a tendency to be um quite of a scoring type of guard. And in Korea, man, if I'm being honest, scoring guards are not really the type of
You
thing,
have to be
bro.
multifaceted. You need to
Bro, yeah,
have other skills aside from just scoring.
Sa Korea, big man or wing centered yun if you ask me ha. Except sila SJ are playing there. SJ's playing very well there
But
also.
SJ can do a lot of things eh.
SJ can
SJ
do a
knows
lot
how
of
to
things
pass the
though, bro.
yeah.
SJ can pass that ball, bro. Like, so depends on Arvin kung kaya niyang mag-mold ng game niya. In terms of will he have the same effect as Carl Tamayo? My answer is gonna be straight up no. And it's
Mm,
merely because of the fact of who he's playing with.
okay.
Carl Tamayo plays with what's his name? Mare. His import is Mare. Mare is a back to the basket big can't shoot for shit outside of the paint. So Carl Tamayo is able to play that role as kayang tumira sa labas, kayang mag-drive, kayang mag-set up. It's completely different when you talk about SK. SK has import is Jamil Warney. And
Jamil
that's a
Warning.
familiar name. I'm sure that's a familiar name because Jamil Warney um is the best import in Korea. He's been the best import for the past for me, maybe for the past 4 or 5 years. It's been
Di
Jamil
ba Mario,
Warney.
nanood tayo ng ESL, naparod natin siya. Sabi mo, sabi
Umamaw
mo,
yun si
grabe
Jamil.
yan! Si Jamil Warning, kinakain niya lahat.
Oh, grabe yun si Jamil Warney, man. Like, literal grabe yun. Si Omari Spellman, nagagawa niyang talunin yun eh. Like, basically, the role is so different because in SK, Jamil Warney is your offense. He is not filling a role. Gets ba? He
Mm.
is the role. He is the team. Gets? So, now that you add somebody like Arvin, he won't be able to play the same as Carl Tamayo. But I think this will be very good for Arvin's development in the future.
Actually, dagdag ko lang Mario na we have seen a few Arvin Tolentino games in the PBA in the previous conference when he was still healthy. He had a few games na more than 5 plus assists and I think they had 2 games na like 10 plus siya. So, I feel like matatap yung skill niya na more na
Heavy.
yun. Especially in the
Probably.
KBL na we're in, he has to adjust and prove his worth kasi, di ba, he doesn't want to get glued to the bench. He wants to play. And iba na talaga competition sa KBL which I feel like is higher than in the PBA, sorry to say. I mean, I think people here who listen to the podcast know na KBL and the B League have overtaken us right now when it comes to playing professionally.
Yeah.
True. Hindi na that's not debatable anymore. I think if the scouts watched yung elimination round nung last conference, then
Mm.
yeah, they have a star in their hands. But the thing about Arvin is, yes, oh, mataas yung usage rate niya, 'di ba? But he's not the type of guy who dribbles a lot. Na ayaw ng mga Koreano, eh, 'di ba?
Ayun
The,
na,
the,
mga
the,
Koreano,
the
mga matagal mag-dribble.
Koreans,
Ball boy.
oh, the Koreans are really straight to the point, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Uh, Drive, kick it out, 'di ba? Pag open, take it. If not, extra pass. And that's what Arvin has to adapt to. And he's very capable, 'di ba? Para siyang I think parang Klay Thompson, eh, 'di ba? Si Arvin, if we
Pwede. In the
um
PBA, parang
'di
once
ba?
he get, di ba,
Parang
once Arvin gets it, Arvin shoots.
oo, 'di ba? Ano,
Yeah.
Michael Porter Jr., that's the best comparison, 'di ba? Michael Porter Jr. Michael Bring Your Own Ball Porter Jr. But um
Bring your own ball.
the that's what he can, di ba? Kasi hindi
Oh.
siya yung
Yeah.
focal point, eh. Hindi siya magiging focal point ng offense. You'll be a contributor, you'll be one of the puzzle pieces. So, if you can adapt to that, if you're able to swallow your Filipino pride na, oh, ako pinakamagaling dito, matangkad ako, di
Yeah.
ba? I'll dribble. Then he has a bright future for him. It's just sad that um a couple of years ago when Ginebra won the title in after the pandemic, siya yung susunod, eh. Siya yung
Ah, really?
para
So let's go back to that point.
yes.
He was really looked as
Oo, sila ni
the one of the guys
Scotty yung
talaga.
Tony
He
Scott
sila
looked
ni
lang.
untouchable ba?
Scotty.
Untouchable ba siya nung time na yun?
Yes, yes.
For me kasi, at the time,
Oh.
diba, medyo inconsistent pa konti si Arvin eh. Kaya,
Yes.
kaya people weren't sure. Pero, kung Hinebra fan ka, like Graham,
And Mario.
Hindi ba halata? Hindi ba halata sa suit ni Greg?
kaya, malalaman mo yan na Arvin had next, bro.
Yes,
Arvin
kasi
had next.
kasi
Despite being
when
inconsistent? Okay.
yes,
Hindi ko
because
alam yun.
because against Meralco and against NLEX in that finals run, they
Namatay sa NLEX.
no NLEX talk today. But he was their second best local player. Yes, oh, Scotty was the best.
Si
And then he
Stan.
was their second,
May
yeah,
sis, so
third.
third.
Seastan. Seastan was the best. Scotty was second best. And then it was him. And siya yung tres. Yun kasi yung butas hanggang ngayon. Yung pa rin
Oo.
butas ng Ginebra, yung tres. And to be honest, I'd rather have him right now in the roster than Jamie Malonzo. Pero andun na yung
Really?
trade. Oo, for me,
Oh,
yes. Oh, for sure.
Seryoso ba yan?
That's what they need. Ako
Parang,
for me, I'd rather have him than Jamie Malonzo. Di doon ka na sa consistent na walang topak kaysa sa, 'di ba? Hindi
bro,
pero yung kay Jamie naman, I feel like it's off court lang naman. On court,
yeah,
hindi ka
well,
naman
that
kakaproblema.
makes
And I think
that makes
Jamie
sense.
plays defense, consistent defense for me.
Oh yeah,
I don't know.
kaya naka
Yeah, for me,
38 si
para ako,
RH.
medyo parang, hindi ko bibigay si Jamie for, at least
but
what he needs what Hinebra needs. It's a
They
good
need a
three. Hindi
shooter.
ko
bro,
naman,
yun
Ginebra
na.
needs a shooter, eh.
Yeah, bro.
Mario.
Greg is 100% correct. Kasi this is not to
Hmm.
say Jamie Malonzo isn't a good player. Jamie Malonzo is a very good player. But we
Oh.
have talked about this so many times. Who the fuck wants to shoot the ball on Hinebra? Not a single one of them
So,
wants to shoot.
walang maano ngayon.
Si
Mhm.
Arvin, walang hiya yan, pre.
In a good way, you mean in a good way.
Hindi na
In a
yan.
good way.
Bro, that's what they need. And again, this could just be a whole team cone system type of
Oo.
issue na talagang pasapasahan talaga. But I do somewhat agree with Graham na yes, Jamie Malonzo is better defensively, but is the problem of Ginebra their defense? I don't think Ginebra's problem is their defense, man. I think Ginebra's problem is sometimes they don't
Scoring.
know who wants to shoot the ball, and Arvin Tolentino would want to shoot that ball. But hey, Jamie Malonzo's already on the team, diba, Graham? So magagawa
Yeah,
natin.
you can't undo
Oo.
it. I just brought up na he was next. And during that time, natatawa yung mga tao dun sa trade, di ba? But
Yeah,
it
ano yung
was
feeling
kind
ng
of,
tao nun? Kasi di pa ako ganun ka, like,
well,
invested
they
sa
they li-
PBA
they
during
like
that time.
they like
Ano
Jamie
yung,
kasi highlights
so they
and
like Jamie nung time na yun. Okay,
oo,
game,
kasi
sige, Jamie,
dun sa
okay.
Northport, 'di ba? He was really showing how good he is. And at the time I
Okay.
was excited, pero at the same time I felt really really sad kasi Arvin fit that system
Okay,
pag
so
wala si
gumagawa lang pala si
JB.
Arvin. Okay.
Gumagawa talaga si Arvin. He was really a good contributor for that team. But we got sway. I was just saying na um if he's able to adapt to the Korean type of game, then yes, it's going to be good for him. And 'di ba? Nando ka last conference, number one team kayo, tapos pinaggagawa nyo ngayong conference, pinagtatapon nyo yung mga player nyo, 'di ba? Sino ba naman gaganahan dyan? So, yan ka na, Arvin, you're good with that. Mas malamig pa dyan, di ba?
Maraming, mas masarap pa, ay, hindi, depende sa pagkain. Pero ano, mas
Actually, parang
maganda
masarap
yung
ano, Korean food, yeah.
Hey bro, depends. If people like Filipino food, they like Filipino
Ay,
food.
ay, ay, ay. Tama, tama.
Like,
I think we
but
could put it in this angle, no? We talked about his move to the KBL for Arvin. Does this open the door for Aguila's possible consideration na makita ni Coach Tim, okay, para sa international palaruan, maybe we'll take him back. Ano sa tingin nyo? Like, does it change anything when it
bro,
comes to accepting Arvin? Oh,
if he was in Korea, if he was in Japan, if he was in the Philippines, if he was in the USA, he should have been in the Gilas program and
okay.
it's
So, ganun pa lang na dapat matagal na siyang na-consider.
yeah,
Yeah.
like it shouldn't have mattered where he was.
I would
Now
replace him with CJ Perez. Not gonna lie. Hindi automatic.
well, I'll talk some other time. I'll
Some
discuss
other
that.
time.
Yeah, could go either way, man. But ayun,
Oh,
thing is, aside from talking about how Arvin moves to Korea, now we
oh.
talk about somebody had to leave that Korean team, and
Welcome
Yan
home.
na.
people,
It's a perfect segue, Mario.
yes,
Perfect segue.
I believe, and I would love it if Juan Gomez de Leano comes home, bro. I need it in my bones to get Juan Gomez de Leano back. If you put Juan Gomez de Leano in the PBA draft this 2025, my gosh, number one pick, number two pick, matic yan, bro.
Oo nga pala, nung hindi pa siya nagpapadraft.
Di
Pero
pa.
nanonood siya ng PBA games. Nanonood siya.
Bro, he's here. He's in the country.
Nanonood siya, di ba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
nanood siya.
Hmm.
Bro, I'm telling you, he's been to Europe, he's been to Japan, he's been to Korea, bro. Let's go home. It's time. Let's bring the where do we think he ends up going is a completely moot point. Probably goes to like what?
Terra Firma
Terra
or
Firma.
Sima,
one
right?
or two.
Blackwater, di ba?
Blackwater. Hey man, Gomez de
Actually,
Leano. Hey
Blackwater,
man, I
Bearfield.
like Bearfield Gomez de Leano pairing. Hey, if NLEX somehow, well no, NLEX is too small already.
We're,
Let's not.
no, 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 no.
Bro,
We
Not,
don't need
not,
another. We don't need another guard, bro.
not another guy, bro. You
if
got
if
Tela.
Terra
Malik.
but if Terra Firma gets him, that Judmar Fajardo and Juan Gomez Diliano combo will feed families and
Tira
will
firma
feed
nga. Tira
They will
firma.
feed us. They will
my
feed
bad.
the podcast.
My bad.
Napakainit na.
Tira firma nga.
Ever.
Good DSMB. Ano ba?
My bad.
Pero
Bigyan sila
gulat ako
dumidiretso.
si Bearfield sa Blackwater pa. Not gonna lie, I'm still surprised na doon pa siya.
2
Uy,
years,
alam mo
1 year
ha,
pa lang siya nandun eh.
well, ang tagal ng rumor parang mapupunta ata siya sa ano, di ba? Sa TNT, if I'm not
Hindi
mistaken.
ko alam, parang never.
Or
They got
or
heading na eh. Kukunin mo pa si
or
Bearfield.
SMB.
May
I
heading na,
forgot.
bro.
I read somewhere. But yeah.
Feel ko natakot sila sa
Well,
injury history
if
niya. He keeps getting injured. Yan ang nangyayari
yeah,
ngayon kay Bearfield, di
that
ba?
is true. That is true. Si Juan, alam mo, he's watching PBA games. I think that's the ultimate sign, eh, di ba? Remember yung si Kyrie Irving nung nanonood ng Laker games
Oh,
in the playoffs, parang
nag-
that's the ultimate sign na I want to be here. Di
Yeah,
ba? And
bro.
I think it's a good place to come home. Parang tapos na siguro yung opportunities abroad. Then
Yeah, feel ko kay
come
Juan
back
it's
here.
done na. Tapos na. Naikot siya na yung mundo eh.
For
Oh,
me,
yeah.
Juan kasi, I believe, well, this could be coming from a biased UP fan at the time.
Oh.
Kasi UP ako nung time na yun. But for me, Juan Gomez de Leano, when you put him right now in the PBA, he becomes an automatic top 10 guard. For me, ha.
Hmm.
But this is just purely off of bias and purely off of what I see with Juan Gomez de Leano. He can really play in the PBA. I truly believe he can play in the
Yeah.
PBA. Depends on the team na lang where he goes. But Graham is not wrong. I see it right now. Juan Gomez de Leano for Jericho Cruz and Jeron Teng. Perfect.
Kulang pa.
Send
Siguro
them
lagyan mo
over.
na ng ano. Lagyan mo
Hindi
na...
pa ba si Bulinadi sa San Miguel? Sama mo na yun.
Oh,
Wala
Where's
na ba?
Bulanadi?
Converge na
No.
pala
Bulanadi
si
sa
Bulanadi.
SMB?
Where's Alain
Converge na pala.
Bulanadi? Wala si Bulanadi
Converge,
sa
I think.
SMB.
Converge.
Oh yeah, I was like,
Northport. Bulanadi's Northport.
Oh yeah, oo nga pala, no?
Northport. So tama rin doon yung trajectory niya.
yeah.
Sabagay, kasama na yun.
Nakahalo
3-team
kasi ni
trade.
Graham eh.
3-team
Nakahalo ni
trade.
Nakakalo ni Grim.
Pare-pareho lang naman roster down yun, di ba? So, but yeah, so now there is that possibility Juan Gomez de Leano comes home. But if, this is me saying na, kung may abroad siyang opportunity and he believes that he'll be used there, sige, go lang. Pero, for me, it's time that let's watch you play basketball again, bro. Let's
So makita si
let's
GBL
watch
niya
you
dito.
play again. It's been what? 5 years since we've seen Juan play basketball?
UP na ba yung last? UP na yung last,
Yeah.
diba?
Well, he played
PBA
for
D-League.
SJ.
Marinero. Ba mga ganun?
He played in an international tournament for Gilas. I forgot what
I'm
the
sure
tournament.
nakalimutan na natin.
Yeah, but it's been a while, bro. Let's come home and let's light the PBA on fire if you're Juan Gomez de Leano, man.
It's
Uh,
sad na one real quick thing. Sad na parang yung
hmm,
mga PBA player natin ay parang yung mentality nila ay parang yung mga graduate ng nursing or medtech dito sa Pilipinas na
konti ng slots eh. Konti rin ng slots.
yeah, 'di ba hindi malaking sweldo, hindi
Oh.
malaking sweldo, but so we just go abroad and then if we want to go home then we will pag if we've already
Yeah.
secured the bag. So
Yeah.
that's how it turned into.
And this is a solvable problem if dumagdag ang teams ng PBA. We have talked about this. We talked about this yesterday.
Yesterday,
We
And
talked about this
since we started the 2023 Mario, we started
Yeah.
that trend na wala pa rin nadadagdag.
God
Alam
damn,
aren't
yun.
they
bro.
seeing na yun talaga yung solusyon? Di ba?
Yeah,
Ha,
bro. Like,
what
this
evidence
will be
pa
so
ba
much
yung
fun.
kailangan nyo
I
to
think we
see?
can end it with this one. No? Ano yung ceiling ni Juan GDL in your eyes? Tapos ano yung floor?
Wait lang. Can I
Oh,
add something before we go to that?
oh.
Before we close it to that, I want to talk about Northport first. And
Sige.
what cliff did we jump off of,
From
bro?
the number one team sa previous conference eh, no?
Like, like what fucking cliff did we jump off of? That your whole team, wow, everybody had it, bro. Like, wow,
Everybody, kompleto ka
Joshua
eh.
Munoz, Arvin Tolentino, William Navarro, Kid Flores. Wow, what
Sina
an
Kalma pa nga,
Evan
di ba, before the
Hill.
injury, remember? Si GM
Yeah,
Kalma was playing well.
damn,
Yeah.
calm. Well, he's on SMB.
Yeah,
So,
pero before that, before he got traded, before
yeah,
that
so
injury, they were on
then
the
you
way up.
even had an import who you genuinely could keep bringing back in Kadim Jack.
Kadim Jack.
That was what? That was 4 months ago?
Oh, a
Three
few
months?
Mm-hmm.
months ago lang. Wala pang 1 year yun.
Four
Three
Wala pang
months
months
half a
ago.
year.
later, 3 months later, you're looking like you're about to sell your team, bro. You gave William Navarro for chips. You gave Paul Zamar to the free agent market. Kadim Jack is nowhere to be found because, well, obviously,
Oh yeah, all
import
Filipino country.
market. Arvin Torrentino was injured for 3 weeks, and all of a sudden he's healthy in Korea, bro. Like, what happened if you're Northport, bro? This has to suck if you're Northport.
Best way to describe that is nakasakay na kayo dun sa drop tower sa Enchanted Kingdom.
Oh,
Oh,
Yung extreme.
yung
That's the fall that Northport had.
yeah, literally,
That's
sudden drop lang
instant,
eh,
di
no?
ba?
literally.
Down.
Yeah, ang
That's
pinakakawawa dito si Joshua Munzon kasi ayaw, di pa siya trinid. Yun
Siya yung
lang.
naiwan. Si
Yun lang
Evan
yun.
Nelly din, pero si Evan Nelly hindi pa, ano eh, hindi pa
Yeah.
hinog.
Paul Zamar.
eh.
Paul Zamar nga nakalaya eh. Ano? Si Joshua Musa nakakulong pa.
Paul Zama is going back to the Singapore slingshot or whatever.
Singapore Sling. Ano, ABL, wala na yun. Defunct na yun.
Awa.
Singapore Slingers ba yun?
Yung Saigon Heat, mga ganun yung
Saigon
Paul
Heat.
Zama, bro.
Di ba
But
meron
yeah,
tayong Filipino team doon? May Beerman tayo, whatever doon. May San Miguel tayo.
Alab Pilipinas.
Alab
Ay,
Pilipinas.
Alab
Brownlee and
Pilipinas nga pala.
Yung
Balkman, di ba?
7 out of the
I-import.
15 members weren't even Filipino. You had Balkman, Ramos,
Brownlee, di ba?
you had Brownlee. We trotted out the most nonsense lineup in the world. You better win the championship, man. Then, not a single Filipino with blood in there. Yung mga Filipino dun, yung BGR, yun. May BGR was...
And
Filipino na yun.
that's a loose term pa. Yung mga Pilipino na
And let's be real, guys, di ba? Ay, yung requirement ata dun, basta dual pass citizen holder ka, pwede ka. Mga ganun. Like, but anyway,
Oh,
yeah,
the
that's how I want to
GDL.
break it up. So yes, congrats to Arvin. We hope you do well.
So happy for him. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, we hope
Pero,
you do well in the KBL. Number two, now going back on it, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, Graham, who won the trade? Ginebra or Northport?
Babalik kayo on the trade.
Who won?
I think Ginebra still won kasi wala na si Arvin eh, di ba?
They
But,
still have the player.
they still have what they had. Si Arvin will be what the what best player in this team? Fourth, fifth?
I'd argue fourth, maybe.
Yeah.
I'd argue fourth. Kasi may Warnica. Pero may Johnny O'Brien pa. Ay, anyang ba yun or SK? Basta I forgot.
Soccer. And hindi, SK Knights pala to. Ang alam ko
Yeah.
lang si Mary eh.
No, Mari is
Ay, hindi, sa ano pala yun?
LD.
Sa
Yeah,
Changwon pala.
yeah. He's on
Tapos papasok pa si D'Angelo Russell, di ba?
D'Angelo.
Jackson Hayes,
Binenta.
welcome to the SK Knights.
Patay.
Start learning Korean, Dilo.
Start learning Korean. Wala
Medyo,
na ka sa Lakers, inaano mo pa rin.
medyo halata naman na kung ano yung sinusupport namin teams nila. Ni Graham, alam mo yun, wala kaming pinagkakaiba dito.
Oo,
Same, same,
Brooklyn.
same lang
Joke.
kami. Same lang kami dito, man. But yeah, congrats to Arvin, bro. Well deserved. First of all, well deserved, pare. You were genuinely BPC candidate last conference. No, ba?
He
He won,
won
he
the
won,
BPC.
he
Oh, he
won. Siya
won.
yung
Oh,
He
BPC,
won the
oh.
sorry, I
BPC.
messed up. My brain. He won the BPC. Oh,
Mm.
congrats to him. Well deserved. Then talking about Juan Gomez, one, come home. Let's go, brother. Let's go home. And then if you're Northport, bro, let's just let it go, bro.
I think to answer, I think Nico wanted to end if one gets into the PBA, how good is gonna be.
Yeah, ano yung ceiling niyo for
Um,
one?
y- First, parang mythical second team. First,
I see it. Um,
mythical team member for sure.
I
Parang
see it.
Bolic, di ba sabi ni Mario, I think, Bolic levels of impact na you can
Oh,
build a team
oh,
around him.
Yeah, I genuinely believe you can build a team around Juan Gomez de Leaño. Um, if you're able to build a team around Tyler Tio, you should be able to build a team around Juan Gomez de Leaño, man. Like, hey, what about him on Phoenix? Oh, that would be nice, bro. Juan, Tyler, and Jason. Pwede yun.
Pero hindi
And,
mag-first pick ang Phoenix. Hindi ata sila mag...
yes, bro.
Well, di mo alam.
Another, you never know, bro. Yung ano nga, yung
Mavericks.
Dallas na first pick eh.
Pero kung nag-imagine mo yun, kung nag-Phoenix first pick, wild yan kung si
Bro,
GDL with sina Tyler.
there are names who I think should be on the way to the PBA. I think Juan should be on the way to the PBA. I think Kobe Paras should be on his way to the PBA. I think
Kobe,
30 should
even
be on
Kobe.
his way to the PBA. Bro, I
Even
think 30
Kobe, sa
should be on
tingin mo?
his way to the PBA. Yeah, bro, where else is
After
he
that
gonna go?
Dubai, till when ba yung stint niya with... Ako, di ako sure kasi when matatapos yung stint niya sa
Yung sa
Dubai.
yung kay 30, bro, I feel like he can go back to the PBA or he can go to Japan. I'm sure actually feeling ko si 30 medyo mas marami
Tatanggapin
pang
siya ulit sa Japan.
mas marami pa siyang offers kaysa dun sa iba.
si
But
SJ
like,
nga nanonood ng PBA na, di ba?
Yeah, well, he's still signed though.
anyway,
Magaling siya sa Korea.
look, out of topic, but y'all gotta watch your comments sometimes. You guys see that post of PBA, this thing, nandun si
Oo, grabe.
girlfriend niya. Bro, stop that shit, guys. That's so rude. Let's not do that shit, guys. Like, I'm okay with y'all calling me fat because I am fat, but let's not do that shit. Let's not be mean to other
I went to the
people.
gym though. I went to the gym the
I'm
other
going to the
day.
gym. I just came from the gym, though.
Galeo gym, Galeo gym. Sasabi ko lang.
But yeah, let's not do that. Like, let's
Oh.
just try to keep positive. Minsan, you guys keep complaining about why these people are leaving the PBA, but then when they come here to the Philippines, you treat them like shit. Let's not do this shit, man.
Tama, agree.
Yeah, right? Like, come on. Anyway, yun lang gusto sabihin. In terms of yung sa Juan thing,
Mm.
ceiling, body, probably
Floor.
floor,
Nokum.
No, ganda ng floor na yun, no?
floor.
Adrian Nocum now? Yung
Grabe naman
Adrian
yan.
Nocum
Floor
now?
yun, ah.
What a
I
nice
would say
floor.
floor Tyler.
Tyler Teo. Okay, yeah. Tyler
Say
Teo.
floor Tyler.
That's
Say
a
floor.
really good floor pa din kasi
That's a
Tyler's
good
a good...
floor, man.
Feel ko
That's
kaya
a
pa
good
i-maximize si Tyler na ibang coach eh, but that's a different
current
conversation.
Tyler.
Current Tyler. Current okay
Current
naman si Tyler.
Tyler.
Yeah, Tyler's good. Ikaw,
Yeah.
Graham.
Yeah, no. Ceiling is mythical team member.
Or
I agree.
MVP, BPC? Can he be... Pag ang guard, mahirap mag-BPC, no?
Kung andun pa si
Bira ang
Junmar, di ba?
BPC yung guard eh. Oh, it's Junmar's Awards.
Mm.
But in import laden conferences, then he can. Floor, yeah, I agree. Tyler or no, parang yun talaga yung floor eh, no? Ray ng Batak, I think.
Kevin Alas before the injuries.
Yeah, Ray ng Batak, I think.
I think
Maybe.
Kevin Alas is a bit too low if you ask me.
So, Ray ng Batak TNT Finals na ganong Ray. Ganong...
I'd
That's
go
the
there.
floor. Ganda ng ano
That
floor
was ano,
niya.
that was an intentional throwback moment ni Higo. Like
Yun.
everything's going well and then papaalala mo si ng Batak in the finals, di ba?
Oo,
Thanks,
syempre.
I really appreciate it.
After we
Naka-red
said,
pa kayong dalawa.
After all that,
after all
After
that,
all that.
you brought us back to the Rain ng Batak in the finals, bro. The amount of shit me and Graham got for that for Rain ng Batak in the finals, dude.
Di ba?
We're getting shit on left and right.
Pero ano talaga, na-deserve naman talaga ni Ray yung
Deserve
ano.
naman talaga
They
yun.
surprise everyone for sure.
Ay,
Our comment of the day pala, kasi kahapon and Cup Graham, di ba? Comment of the day ngayon,
Not that.
bring GDL home. Yan
bring
yung ano natin.
Yeah.
Bring GDL home. Lahat ng mga nakikinig, bring GDL
Bring
home. Sa
GDL
lahat ng
home.
umabot dito sa end ng
totoo sa
podcast.
NCAP Graham, pre.
And
Wise.
dami ng comments. Sabi ko,
NCAP Graham,
matagal yung podcast natin
Yeah,
kahapon
man.
So the fact na nagulat ako na may more than one. Sabi ko, maabot sa dulo
Yeah. Yeah. Bring it. A wise man once said, "Bring him home."
I think we'll end it in that. A wise man once said, "Bring him home." Anyway, guys, follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, 6 Podcast. Nico with Mario with Graham. See you all next time. Peace.
Adios, amigos.